Paul here. In this video I'm going to be telling you how to get approval on Warrior Plus. Now if you're a beginner, it can sometimes be difficult to get them to approve you for a product that you want to promote, and that's usually because you haven't got any sales on Warrior Plus and the vendor doesn't really know you and he can't really decide whether you're a good fit to promote that product, because you might end up sending some really bad traffic to it. So there are ways that you can enhance your chances of getting approved, and I'm going to show you in this video how to do that. So this is what I'd normally do, is I'd find an offer to promote on Warrior Plus, and of course you then click the button that says request approval. And I've got something typed up here which I would use. So I'd write something like this. I'd change the name. I'd find the name of the guy here. Let's copy his name. Paste it in there. And then I'd say something like, I'm a marketer from London and a student of fellow marketer Cynthia Benitez. Now, this is a mentor of mine. If you have a mentor, then it might be an idea to put it in here. It just might help to get you approved, because your mentor might be quite well known in the marketing space. And they may even have worked with this person before. So then I'm just saying how long I've been working online for, what I do, and I also have a website. Now, if you have a website, that might help you as well, because at least it shows that you know, you're in this affiliate marketing space yourself, and you're doing articles, and you're writing about products and things like that to do with affiliate marketing or making money online. And it's also good to be honest. You know, if you're brand new to this kind of thing, then it's worth just saying that you are. So I'm putting down here that I'm pretty new to affiliate marketing, and I'd be grateful if you could approve me to promote your product, and also if you can give me review access to your product. And then I'm saying here how I intend to promote their product, because I'm not going to be using any sort of rubbish traffic or anything like that. I'm going to be promoting via YouTube review video, articles, and also to my list. And I may even do a blog post. And I'll say that I'll do my best to get you some sales. And that's it, really. So then just copy that, paste it in there, and let's see what happens. Request offer. So it's as easy as that, really. Just if you've got a blog, it helps, and just be honest. If you're a beginner, just say that you're a beginner and you'll do your best to get some sales, and hopefully this method will help you out. Thanks for watching.